Hi, I'm Nash, Mayvenn Certified Stylist. We're going to show you step by step the process on how to install a 360 frontal.
Anytime we're installing a 360 frontal, we want to start with a flat middle part braid down. Start with the wig cap that matches your client's skin tone. After taming the natural edges, use extreme hose spray to adhere the wig cap around the hairline. While it dries, sew down small sections of the wig cap for added security. Next, cut the excess cap off, following the shape of your client's hairline. Remember to be extra careful around your client's ears. Use flesh tone powder around your client's hairline to blend in the cap. You can repeat this step on the lace of your frontal if necessary. Cut the lace along the shape of your client's hairline. Do not cut the lace inside of the frontal. This will be sewn down to keep the 360 secure.